Before we jump in, let me ask you something. If you wanted to get into IT but you had no experience, no degree, and no connections, where would you start? For most people, the biggest challenge isn't interest. It's figuring out how to take that very first step. That's where certifications come in. They give you direction, structure, and credibility when you're trying to break into the field for the first time. And while there are hundreds of certifications out there, not all of them are helpful for beginners, especially if your goal is to land that very first IT role. In this video, we're going to break down the most valuable entry-level certifications in IT, the ones that actually matter in 2026 and can help you get into roles like IT support, desktop support, cloud networking, and more. So whether you're switching careers, exploring IT for the first time, or building your technical foundation, this guide will give you clarity and confidence on where to begin. Now let's get into the certifications that can help launch your IT career. Why do certifications matter at the entry level? The truth is, most beginner jobs in IT expect baseline knowledge. Certifications give you a structured way to learn that foundation, and more importantly, they give employers confidence that you understand fundamental concepts. Certifications are especially powerful for career switchers, students, or self-taught learners. If you don't have a degree in computer science or prior help desk experience, certifications give you credibility. They also help you make informed decisions about where in IT you want to specialize: support, networking, cybersecurity, cloud, or software. So while certifications won't magically guarantee a job, they absolutely make you more competitive and more prepared, both for the role and for the interview process. Now let's go over the most useful entry-level certifications, starting with total beginners. CompTIA ITF Plus, or IT Fundamentals, is an excellent starting point for people who have absolutely no background in technology. It introduces basic computer concepts including hardware, software, cybersecurity, databases, and networking. This certificate is mainly for people who are still figuring out if IT is the right career path for them. If you're switching careers, still in school, or just exploring, ITF Plus gives you the foundation to understand how IT systems work without overwhelming complexity. It doesn't qualify you for a job directly, but it prepares you to move into more serious certifications like A+, Google IT support, or a cloud certification. Think of ITF Plus as the 0 to 1 step for people at the very beginning of their IT journey. CompTIA A Plus is often considered the gold standard certification for entry-level IT support. It's the most widely recognized certificate for help desk, desktop support, and IT technician roles. A Plus teaches troubleshooting, hardware, operating systems, basic networking, and ticketing. All the skills you'll actually use in real support environments. For many people, A+ is the first serious certificate because it directly connects to job titles. When job postings ask for certification requirements, A+ is the one you'll see the most for entry-level roles. If your goal is IT support, service desk, or technical support, this certification is one of the strongest and safest investments you can make. And once you land your first role using A+, it becomes much easier to grow into cloud, networking, or security later. The Google IT Support Certificate is another valuable beginner option, but it focuses more on project-based work and hands-on skills. It's designed for practical learning rather than memorization. Through course labs and real-world tasks, you'll practice the kinds of scenarios that happen in IT support environments. This makes it ideal for people who prefer learning by doing rather than studying from textbooks. The certificate is also recognized by many companies, and Google partners with employers who support hiring certificate holders. It pairs extremely well with A+, or can even be taken first before A+, depending on your learning style. Cloud computing is one of the fastest growing areas in technology, and Microsoft Azure plays a major role in enterprise environments. Azure Fundamentals is a great introduction for beginners who want to learn cloud basics, including how modern IT infrastructures work, what cloud services provide, and why companies are shifting from on-premise systems to cloud-based environments. You don't need experience in IT support or networking to start with Azure Fundamentals, which makes it highly accessible. And as more companies adopt cloud-first strategies, Having cloud knowledge early in your career can give you a competitive advantage and make your resume look much stronger. AWS Cloud Practitioner is the equivalent beginner-level cloud certification, but for Amazon Web Services. AWS holds the biggest market share in cloud computing, so this certification is widely recognized across industries. It focuses on concepts like AWS services, security basics, billing models, cloud advantages, and best practices. For beginners, Cloud Practitioner helps you understand the cloud landscape without jumping into advanced engineering. If you're interested in cloud careers like DevOps, cloud support, or cloud engineering, this certification can act as an excellent first step before pursuing more advanced certifications. Cisco CCNA is the most recognized entry-level networking certification, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to work with routers, switches, and networking infrastructure. CCNA provides a deep understanding of networking concepts like IP addressing, routing, VLANs, DNS, and DHCP, all core components of IT environments. If you're considering networking roles such as network technician, network administrator, or help desk positions with networking responsibilities, a CCNA can be a powerful differentiator. Even though it's entry-level, it's more technical than ITF Plus, A Plus, or Google IT support, and is often seen as the first serious step toward networking or cybersecurity careers. So how do you choose the right certificate? It depends on your goals and starting point. If you're a total beginner without clarity, ITF Plus helps you explore and learn the basics. If your goal is IT support or desktop roles, A Plus and Google IT support are the strongest options. If you're focusing on cloud, Azure Fundamentals and AWS Cloud Practitioner give you early exposure to fast-growing careers. The key is that certifications are tools. They don't lock you into a path. They open doors and help you explore different directions in IT. Entry-level certifications can be the first major step toward a long-term career in IT. What matters most is taking action, not waiting for the perfect time or the perfect plan. Many successful IT pros started with one small certification and built experience over time through hands-on labs, projects, and support roles. Whichever path you choose, remember that IT is full of growth opportunities, new technologies, and constant learning. If you're willing to commit and invest in yourself, you can absolutely break into the field. So start your journey and move forward toward your future in IT. If you found value in this video, remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. I post realistic, beginner-focused content to help you build your IT career without confusion or hype. And before you go, comment which certification you're planning to pursue. I read every comment and it helps shape future videos. Thanks for watching.